Okay, let's get the black wire in here. I'm going to cut off the end of the black wire. It's off. Take off some insulation. Now we're going to put the black wire through. See if it goes through the hole. Not too easily. Let's try to widen the hole in the board with the soldering iron. Sometimes that'll make a difference. Try the wire again. So this is trial and error. Let's try and use the needle nose to shove the wire in hard. We just want to get it through the hole to get a good connection. And I don't think this is going to go in. Nope, it's not. Let's try and compress the wire. The wire has a soldered end to it. The solder must have sucked up into the wire last time we soldered, so it's not a new wire. Let's try and get it back in here now. Anyway, the soldering might be the worst part of this whole deal. One of them anyway, that and the motors. The motors are the worst part of this whole thing. So, I don't believe we have enough clearance in this hole. I'm going to try and suck it out again. I'm going to solder it and suck it out, and maybe that'll clear this problem. So as you can see, there's a lot of problems when you solder, period. It's not a very pleasant experience. Okay, let's put some solder on here. I'm going to go to the bottom, heat it up, and suck it out. There's the bottom. Okay, well, it's sucked out. The hole looks good. Let's see if the wire will go back in there. This is the C wire, which is black. There. That did the trick. The wire is finally in. So we're going to solder it up. And that completes this one ESC. There are 3 more to go. So this could easily take an hour or 2. We run into problems, as you can see. We've had some problems here. There. Let's inspect this now at close range. Camera is struggling with this. There we go. There's the soldering connections. There's how it looks. You want to look between these wires for shorts. So make sure there's no shorts between these pads, no pieces of wire, no chunks of solder. Make sure it's all good. So this one ESC is ready to go. We're going to push these all down later into the frame and put the lens on. These are the front ESCs, the ones that have the red lens. So that's about it, and we'll start another video later. Thank you for watching.